Hey everyone, this is Will with Carolina Thread Place. I have discovered some amazing new blanks at Dollar Tree. Everyone has been using these elves and been customizing them either with their hats, their shirts, or for this particular one right here, their skirt. But they've been doing it with vinyl. I'm going to show y'all in a later video how you can do embroidery on these. First, you got to figure it out. I also discovered, that wasn't a discovery, I knew about them. They also have these guys, and I'm trying to figure out what would be good for this. Probably his hats. So, there's that one. But that's not what this video is about. The video is about this discovery. Beverage bags. Look at the retail space of that, or the real estate of that. You can put a name there, name, date, first and last name. You can even wrap it around it if you want to. This one, here, here, and here. You have a lot of space. So the three designs that I found at my local 4 Dollar Trees is the Santa with the hat that goes over the top of the bottle. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Right here, here, and here. Do not open until December 25th. Here, here, and here. So you have a lot of real estate that you can embroider on these bags. And what's really cool about them is they cinch, and then you could do a little bow as so. And of course I'm using sparkling grape juice. So really cool. What I've already done is I've already hooped one because I wanted to see how fast it was or how easy it was to hoop without taking any stitches out, and it was actually quite easy. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to the camera, to the embroidery machine, so that y'all can see what I've already done so far. As you can see here, I've already hooped it. I already have the pins in, and I'm using safety pins because I can't find my others. So, really nice. And this is a fur, so you will need to use a water-soluble stabilizer on top or a tearaway on top. I've using tearaway because that's what I had readily available. So always before you do any design, you do a trace. So we're going to go ahead and do the trace. So it looks we're good, and we're good. So that's where our center is. So let's go ahead and sew this out. Alright, I had to thread my machine. I forgot to do that, and instead of y'all watching me do that, I just went ahead and decided to do it. So I'm going to turn the camera off and just let y'all watch this sew out. Alrighty, let's go ahead and unhoop the design. Alright, so we have it. Of course, it's upside down because this is going to flip back over. So, first things first, we take the stabilizer off of the front because it was actually hiding. And I don't normally use safety pins, but for this one, since I could not find my pins fast enough, I went ahead and did. We're going to trim the And you can use cutaway for this as well, or I mean tearaway. I just went ahead and just used it in the, I'll use cutaway for this because it will not be seen. And using tearaway for this is totally up to you. You can use water soluble if you want. I just used it because this is what I had readily available for this tutorial video. Sorry, that's my cat. She's in here and she's shaking her head. And just trim the jump stitches. And there you have it. I should have chose a different font, but honestly, it works. So I could have gone a little bit bigger with it and it would have been totally fine. And then all we got to do is take a bottle. Like I said, sparkling grape juice. Put it in. Not the beautiful, best thing. Double tie, double knot it. And there you have it. A customized beverage gift bag for $1. You can turn around and customize it, and you can turn around and sell this for $5, $10, possibly more. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, especially the ones who do embroidery. I would appreciate it. So until next time, thank you very much, and y'all have a great day.